having a quick look around the Echo CS360 WS. WS just stands for with easy start, so don't worry too much about that. It's a nice, quite a lightweight saw, not the smallest carving saw that Echo offer, so it's the next notch up really. It's got a 14-inch Sugihara light type dime tip bar on, probably about the right sort of size bar, or a 16-inch you could probably put on here as well. So you can have a look around it. I've got the top handle version of this, which works well, seems to have a good power to weight ratio. You've got two mounting nuts there, side tensioner. I quite like the shape of the Echoes. You can have a look around the rest of it, see what they actually look like. Like any chainsaw really, until you've actually used it a few times and got to know it, you don't really ever know how much you like it or not. The more sort of old-fashioned fuel and oil there. All pretty much just looks like what a chainsaw looks like. But that's what you get with this setup, is that you get the sprocket has already been changed for a quarter pitch drive, and you get steel carving chain and a 14-inch Sugihara light type bar, all as part of the package. So it's all ready to go as a carving setup.